Hello and welcome to another update video about Gala. The Gala chart shows a small upside reaction today, but overall it's a quiet day in the crypto market. I shared with you in yesterday's video the potential in this correction here to the upside, this potential corrective structure that started on the 19th of March, that this is extending higher. The thing is, look at the structure and the price from the top on the 10th of March, to the downside looks corrective. So we have a corrective structure that overall indicates further trend continuation higher, in my opinion, because we don't have an impulse to the downside. So that is overall bullish. However, the structure from the low point here that was formed on the 19th of March at around 5 cents to the upside also doesn't look impulsive to me. That is a three-wave move to the upside, which peaked here locally on the 26th of March at 7.3 cents. And yes, yellow wave B could therefore have topped. However, it's also possible that we get one more high. And if we get one more high, then we could possibly call it a five-wave pattern to the upside in a diagonal. And then we might not see this lower orange support range. If the B wave has topped circle wave B in yellow here on the 26th of March, then I need to see a break below the 5.4 cent level as confirmation, and also a break below the ascending trend line. And then we can talk about the C wave to the downside as unfolding, which might target 4.2 cents or 3.3 cents next. However, I shared with you in yesterday's video that the move to the downside doesn't really necessarily support that idea that a larger C wave to the downside has started yet, and that I therefore added the white count, which is short-term bullish. And at least we can watch the relevant parameters and we can watch if the price forms another high. It hasn't done that yet, but if we get five waves to the upside, then we might be in, or we might start to favor a more direct bullish structure, because if we get five waves up, okay, then we can say that's at least a potential to overall look for higher prices more directly. It depends on what happens next. I mean, I don't see a very clear trade setup. I shared with you yesterday. Surely, I mean, this is a support area you can measure your risk against, if you want to trade this on the long side. But I don't see anything, really with confidence, even though the move down, as I said, is actually favoring one more high, at least structurally as it looks. But that could be, for example, a fifth wave in the white count, or it could be an extension in the B wave. How could that extension look like? I mean, this ABC structure in yellow could just be a larger A wave. Then this move down might have been a shallow B wave, and we then get a C wave rally, and then the B wave will sit here. Nothing at least clearly, strongly bullish from here. It just doesn't give us a very clear structure. I think it's still caught in the correction. But if I see a nice five-wave move up, and if the fifth wave, and that might change, but if the fifth wave reaches, let's just double check that, reaches the area sort of between 7.4 cents and 8 cents and gets rejected there, then I will call that five waves. If it extends further and reaches 9.3 cents or higher, then I would call that an extended B wave. See, it will depend on how it looks after one more high. And I think we can go with the idea that it might form another high as long as it's holding above that 5.4 cent level. Hope that's sort of clear. I mean, overall, it's just trying to understand the micro patterns. Looking at the bigger picture, this is so far for me a three-wave move to the upside that formed here. And this could have topped. And therefore, I call that a larger A wave in three waves, which topped on the 10th of March. And then you would normally expect a three-wave pullback in a B wave after that A wave top. And then if we get into this lower support region, a C wave rally to the upside could follow. At least a clear A-B structure gives me something to work with. It's a bit like a landmark on the chart. And then we can get some clarity, and we would then see this lower support region as, basically a jump off point for the price for this larger C wave rally to the upside. Until then, we can watch the micro, and I can see or can tell you that as long as we don't break below 5.4 cents, further upside extensions are at least a reasonable expectation. Yeah, that should give you at least all the parameters really to watch. In addition to those, micro support is at 6.3 cents, 6 cents, 5.8 or 5.4 cents. And then we have structural resistance in addition here at around 6.8 cents. So yeah, it's just a quick update about Gala. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.